Jeff with us from Grand Design. He's one of our amazing reps, and we're just going to ask Jeff what it feels like for our customers to be part of the Grand Design family.
Well, being part of the Grand Design family is a lot of different things. One of them is that we have rallies throughout the country. These are places that you can go, different campgrounds. There's something called a Wagon Master, and they will organize it. I've been to one rally in Texas, and we had some techs from Grand Design there that were fixing units. It was just a nice camaraderie, a fun place. We had a Q&A as well, but it seemed like people, just met up based on the fact that they all owned Grand Design. Another thing is that you have access to all of our forums on Facebook. There's a Grand Design for Life forum. There's product-specific forums, and then there's an overarching Grand Design page where you can ask questions, get advice, find trips for or find routes for your trip. I think the biggest part is that you belong to a company, an organization that really cares about your lifestyle within the RV. And so for me, that's really the most important thing about the Grand Design family, that you're going to be taken care of by, a company.
Thanks, Jeff. That's why we love it.
Yeah. Thank you.